The Dark Secrets of Japan. Japan is often celebrated for its rich cultural heritage and technological advancements, also harbors a shadowy side filled with dark secrets. Today we will take you on a thrilling journey to reveal 6 dark secrets that will leave you amazed. From ancient legends, haunted places and unexplained phenomena. This exploration will challenge everything you thought you knew about Japan. Are you ready for the untold stories that have remained covered in secrecy for centuries? Secret number 1. Okigahara Forest. The Okigahara Forest, also known as the Sea of Trees, is a dense forest located at the northwest base of Mount Fuji in Japan. Spanning approximately 30 square kilometers, Okigahara's dense vegetation and labyrinthine terrain have made it a notorious site for suicides, with hundreds of individuals reportedly taking their lives within its depths over the years. The reason behind a high suicide rate in Okigahara Forest are complex. Japan as a society has struggled with mental health issues, societal pressures, and cultural factors that contribute to this tragic event. Okigahara has become a symbol of despair for many individuals seeking a place to end their lives. Despite its haunting reputation, the forest also holds cultural and ecological significance, with diverse flora and fauna inhabiting its unique ecosystem. It attracts visitors for hiking and exploration, though many also come seeking a deeper, more spiritual connection to nature. Locals believe that the forest is inhabited by Urai, vengeful spirits seeking redemption. These legends have given birth to numerous ghost stories that have captivated the curious. Secret number 2. Unit 731. Unit 731 was a covert biological and chemical warfare research and development unit of the Imperial Japanese Army that undertook lethal human experimentation during the Second Sino-Japanese War, 1937 to 1945, and World War II. It was responsible for some of the most notorious war crimes carried out by Japan. These experiments ranged from vivisection to weapon testing, with a focus on developing biological weapons like anthrax and bubonic plague. The unit conducted experiments on prisoners of war and civilians, including biological and chemical weapons testing, vivisection, dissection of live subjects, and other forms of inhumane research. The goal of these experiments was to develop weapons of mass destruction and study the effects of various biological and chemical agents on the human body. These experiments resulted in the deaths of thousands of people, and survivors often suffered lifelong physical and psychological trauma. The activities of Unit 731 remained largely unknown to the public until the 1980s and 1990s. After World War II, the United States granted immunity to the researchers of Unit 731 in exchange for their data on biological warfare, and the unit's activities were not widely publicized. However, in the 1980s, as historical records were declassified and survivors began to speak out, the full extent of the atrocities committed by Unit 731 began to emerge. Books, documentaries, and testimonies from survivors shed light on the unit's horrific experiments and its role in Japan's wartime atrocities. Since then, efforts have been made to preserve the memory of Unit 731 and educate people about the importance of remembering and learning from this dark chapter in history. Secret number 3. The Curse of Atsushi. The Curse of Atsushi, also known as the Atsushi Curse, is a folklore tale from Japan that is said to bring misfortune or death to those who visit the village of Atsushi in the Iwate Prefecture. According to the legend, the curse originated during the Edo period when a feudal lord, Date Tsunamura, ordered the construction of a road through the village despite warnings from the villagers that it would anger the local deity. The villagers believed that the deity cursed the road, causing it to collapse multiple times and leading to the deaths of many workers and travelers. As a result, the road was abandoned. and the village became isolated and avoided by outsiders for fear of the curse. The curse of Atsushi is considered a cautionary tale about respecting nature and local beliefs. While the exact origins of the curse are unclear, the story has been passed down through generations and is still remembered in the region as a reminder of the consequences of disrespecting local traditions and beliefs. Secret number 4. The Yakuza. The Yakuza, also known as the Japanese Mafia, is a transnational organized crime syndicate originating in Japan. The Yakuza is known for its strict codes of conduct, hierarchical structure, and involvement in various criminal activities, including extortion, fraud, gambling, drug trafficking, and human trafficking. The origins of the Yakuza can be traced back to the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, when groups of gamblers and merchants formed organized crime syndicates to protect their interests and settle disputes. Over time, these groups evolved into the modern-day Yakuza, which is made up of several large criminal organizations known as families or clans. The Yakuza is known for its distinctive tattoos, which often cover the entire body and serve as a form of identification and status within the organization. The Yakuza also has its own codes of conduct, known as Ninkyo Dantai, which emphasize loyalty, honor, and duty. Despite its criminal activities, the Yakuza has also been involved in some legitimate businesses and has been known to provide certain services to the community, such as disaster relief and assistance to the elderly. However, its criminal activities and involvement in illegal enterprises have made it a target of law enforcement in Japan and other countries. Secret number 5. The Burakumin. The Burakumin, also known as Eta or Hinin, are a social minority group in Japan that has historically faced discrimination and marginalization. The term Burakumin originally referred to people who worked in occupations considered impure or unclean in traditional Japanese society, such as butchers, tanners, and executioners. These occupations were associated with death and pollution according to Shinto beliefs. Despite the abolition of feudal class distinctions in the late 19th century, discrimination against the Burakumin persisted. They were often segregated in separate neighborhoods called burku, which were isolated from the rest of society. Burakumin faced various forms of discrimination, including restrictions on marriage, employment, and social interaction. Efforts have been made to address the discrimination faced by the Burakumin, including government policies and legislation aimed at promoting equality and eliminating discrimination. However, discrimination against the Burakumin continues to be a social issue in Japan, and many Burakumin still face challenges in terms of employment, marriage, and social acceptance. Secret number 6. Shutter sound on cameras. In Japan, the shutter sound on cameras serves a dual purpose: to notify subjects that a photo is being taken and to adhere to cultural norms regarding privacy. The distinctive shutter click sound is designed to alert individuals nearby when a photograph is being captured, promoting transparency and respect for privacy in public spaces. This practice is particularly important in Japan, where privacy is highly valued and there are strict regulations regarding photography in certain situations, such as in public baths or sensitive areas. The mandated shutter sound on digital cameras was introduced in the early 2000s to address concerns about surreptitious photography and protect individuals' privacy rights. While this feature is primarily associated with Japanese market cameras, some international models also include a shutter sound option to accommodate cultural preferences. Despite debates about its effectiveness and inconvenience in some situations, the shutter sound remains a standard feature on many cameras sold in Japan.